been forced to make this video because I want to clarify some things. And
Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndeto ni ironekana kurituha muno gatagati wa Githaiga wa Cai na Wanja wa Nyarari kuria Githaiga akorwo akigwithia bomu o riria agikorwo akihithuria ati ni engutete guku bururi-ini na agathamira bururi wa Netherlands thutha wake gukorwo akigwithia bomu ya ndeto cia magigi ciigie kira kiracungiriirie njatukano yao na Wanja Nyarari kuria Githaiga wa Cai akorwo akiumbura mitugo ya Wanja towards Triza na uria mitugo iyo yakorirwo igituma Triza akane na miario iria akoretwo akiaria riria audio ciake cirakorirwo ikiri leaked na ino niyo miario iria mundu gwitwo Githaiga wa Cai akorwo akiumburania nayo maundu maria magikorirwo magicungiriria Triza akinye haha aragia uru iguru rigie Wanja Nyarari.
Triza can come and tell you and confess to you that the day that aliamua ya kwamba it is good that Karango brings his kid to the event, ya kwamba Wanja called the unga company na akawaambia wafukuze Triza kazi, wamunyang'anye hiyo branding and atatuma brand iende chini. That thing ilifikia Triza mwenyewe, ilimuma vibaya sana a day before the event. Whatever Triza was saying, she was not mad. Kwa hiyo conversation, she was not mad. It is true that Wanja had actually told me na akawa quote watu wa Nairobi business community na akasema Tataban guy anawajua. Akasema those men will make sure that he does not get in there.